Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. As you can see, this is our indicator on the chart. I told you guys that this our indicator that you are seeing on the chart are not reprint indicator. This particular trend here you see here, we have the red arrow for the downtrend and we have the green arrow for the uptrend. And also we can see that we have our not reprint indicator at this particular area that we have on the main chart. We have the red one and the green one. So as we can see now, we have our step index 1 minute on the chart, and we can see that I told you guys that once you have this particular not reprint arrow indicator, which is for our trend that appear on the move, then we can easily enter our market from this level. Then we can take it down to the next uptrend indicator arrow that you see. So you can decide not to wait for that long, and you can decide to be taking your short downtrend like what you see here, the first one here and the second one at D. And you can see that I even entered this particular trend, and you can see that I close my trend around this particular area when I discover that I have another uptrend in the move. You can see how massive it is from this particular zone to our downtrend. And you can see here now we are expecting a uptrend on a massive trend, and we can see the price retrace a little bit, and we can see what the market is doing currently. Is going on a massive uptrend until we have our next downtrend arrow. That is where we are going to be closing our trend, but the market is still fluctuating. Now you can see I entered this particular trend for buy zone, and you can see it's already a massive profit. Now we can see what the market is doing currently. So this same indicator also works on our boom 500. So let me show you guys on what is happening on boom 500. We can see that we have a trend currently now here. This is where we can see that I have a live trade on it. I enter this particular trend when I have a down arrow signal at this particular zone, and I left the market when I see the second indicator move. So I think this particular trade give me each $10 each on each pair I open. You can see now currently now I should enter at this particular spot for a massive uptrend, and I'm going to take it up to the next until I have the next closing arrow in the market. So you can see how massive it is, and you can see here from this particular zone too, we have another indicator that shows to us that we have a uptrend here, move here. Then from this particular zone now we have it up to this particular zone. So this is a closing entry for this particular spot. You can see from here I take this particular trade from here to here, and I take from this particular one from here to where I have the last close entry. So if I'm going to be taking this one now, I should have entered around this area. Then I look forward for the next buy trend indicator. So this indicator does not reprint. Once it appears, it stays permanently on lane. You can see this is another one here. This is another one here. They show exactly on the perfect area, but you should note that there's going to be a pullback in the market. So if you want to trade, I will advise you to use your risk management to apply on it. So you can see from this particular zone now, we can see the market go on a massive downtrend up to this particular zone, and we can have another zone from here to here, and we have another one from here to the last one that we have currently on the market. So this is how the indicator works. And also I told you guys that it works perfectly on our step index. You see this is a massive one on step index, and it has been working so far. So thanks guys. So if you are interested in this indicator, you can do well to join our Telegram group in the video description, and also do well to reach out to us, and I will respond to your message. Thanks guys.